Hi, I'm Asith Pooja, preteen parenting coach, handwriting expert, and a soft skill trainer. Today, I just want to discuss with you about the hidden emotions of ourselves. Yes, hidden emotion. Along with the emotions of love, happiness, joy, that caring, we also have some roadblock emotions of anger, complaining, victim game, jealousy. All these are the roadblocks for ourselves, but we are willingly carrying on with those emotions. And not only carrying, we are passing it on to our kids as well. You know how? Okay, let's take the example of anger. You know why we get angry or why this emotion is there? 90% of this emotion is all due to the incomplete task which we wanted to achieve in our life, but somehow we were not able to achieve it. And that's why we start getting angry day by day. Those incomplete tasks could be your relationship at home or relationship at your workplace, anything related to your personal or the professional life, which is not giving you the result the way you wanted to have. And we take out this emotion on the people, those who are depending on us or those on the weaker side than us. Yes, of course, if we are getting angry, so obviously we are not going to show our anger to our boss or to our parents because they are empowered than us. So we will go to the weaker end or the dependents and we show this emotion of anger to them. So please think about it. Before showing any kind of such emotions, we need to just stop, take a breath and work upon ourselves. क्या सच में ऐसा कोई इमोशन है मेरे अंदर जो मेरे इनकम्प्लीट अचीवमेंट्स की वजह से बिल्डअप हो रहा है धीरे धीरे एंड विच इज़ नीडेड टू बी नाउ क्लियर्ड बिकॉज unknowingly along with happy moments, happy emotions, we are sharing some negative emotions also with our kids. And the kids, they are so puzzled. Why my mom or why my dad, they're getting angry? So why to take them in a confused state that why such things are happening? It's better to work upon us and get cured from all those roadblock emotions. Isn't it? Think about it.